Right now, we're putting together support for all the models out there, given open source or closed, but especially for different providers that you can trust, right? That our users can trust. That's the number one step. The other thing that we're doing in order to provide very specific context for our tools, for our AI tools, is our analytics feature, right? Which is going to collect behavioral data from your users, and then you're going to be able to use that data to fed your models and then perform different tasks, from generating content and generating images to suggest new content, to plan, to maybe sunsetting some specific content, to have content that it could be compliance to your specific regulations, right? Always with the data in front of you. That's, for me, is the key part. Like, AI can be as good as the context that you fed it with. Like, a model by itself, without your context, without your voice and your brand, will not do so much good for your company and for your use. So we're very focused into that. And on top of that, we're building our AI assistant, or dotCopilot, that the whole idea is that is with the user across all the sections of dotCMS. No matter what task that you're doing, you can always have this Copilot assistant helping you with that, given that it's generating content, generating images, or analyzing your data, and try to maybe come up with new ideas of audiences you haven't even considered, given the amount of data that you have. So it's that, and we're building that with a lot of governance and compliance, right? There is no way that we can do this without governance and compliance. What we wanted to do, or pillars, are like, everything that you do with AI should be easy to roll back and should be easy to audit. Like, everybody should understand, like, okay, we work on AI with this, or, oh, it didn't work, we need to roll back it as soon as possible, and all those sort of things. And there's always a human in the loop. Like, we already have that embedded in that CMS. We got our permissions, our roles, we got our workflows, like all that. It gives you that governance. And now the AI is going to pipe into that, which means that you can create even AI users within your dotCMS with specific roles and specific permissions that only allow them to perform specific tasks or execute specific workflows, right? So everything that dotCMS do really, really well for enterprise level business, like governance and permissions, all that, AI is going to be piping it.